Hello all. Very early morning for all of you. It's already 3:30 a.m. Still, I'm awake to make a video. Very interesting for tomorrow's trade. Today, one of the big event happened. That is, Fed again cutted their interest rate by 0.25%. Now the interest rate is 4.5% on US, and the interest rate decision affected in equity and overall market in the global wise very much. US market down more than 2.5% on Dow Jones and S&P 500 3%, and Nasdaq has been down almost 3.4%. It is down 3.6% on the close, and Bitcoin and Ethereum, every cryptocurrency coins are down more than 5% on the down the line. And in the last post on the Instagram, we mentioned that gold is forming a triangle pattern, and there's a clean breakdown for the downside, which we posted on $2640, that is $2,640. The next support was at 2615 and 2620, and if it breaks and session below that 2580 was the level to watch ahead of a Fed meeting. We shared that. If you can see in a hourly time frame, a very clean structure that made a clean breakdown till 2584, a clean move that we already informed you all guys. Now for the tomorrow's trade, based on the global events, we'll be opening around 350 to 400 points on Nifty gap down, a very big gap down after a long time, and I think the fall will continue till the end of the day. If we open gap down of 358 400 points also, we might go till 600 800 points in the range of for Nifty. And bank Nifty, if it sustain about 1300 points, it may go around 1700 to 2000 points in the range, and we may test the previous swing low of Nifty, that is around 23 to 63 in Thursday or Friday. And bank Nifty, um, we might reach for 50,500 in next 2 days. Tomorrow, if market opens gap down at 23,873, that is the level of support we are watching. If it sustained below that for 5 to 15 minutes, we can take the sell with the stop loss of 24,010. For the target of first level is 23,600, and next level is 23,350, which I am watching for tomorrow's trade. And there is no upper level resistance because right now it is a killing spree on the free fall. If we look at it, the daily time frame, on the Fibonacci level, it got resisted at 0.50%, sorry, 50% on the Fibonacci level, and retracing back. If we put the on the reverse mode, yeah, almost 22,600. That is the medium short term target we are expecting. If it breaks below 23,350, that is straight away 1,500 points, sorry, 1,700 points from the current market price. Now next, bank Nifty, it may be earlier to consider, but as per the price action, it seems like in the daily time frame, we are forming an head and shoulder pattern on the bank Nifty. That is shoulder, left shoulder, head, and right shoulder. The neckline will be at 49,700 and 600 level, which should be watched. Now there is an gap area, guys. Just look at it. 51,750 is a level of support. If a market opens at 51,200 or 300, this gap area will act as a island reversal patterns. If we close tomorrow below 51,200 and the gap has not filled, in the daily time frame, it will be like a island reversal pattern formation, which is a strong bearish formation for the downside. The levels to be watched are 51,200, 50,600, and 49,900 level to be watched for tomorrow. I'm expecting a good trading day till the end of the day, because tomorrow we have a Bank of Japan, Bank Interest Edition, and Bank of England. Both will come morning 8 o'clock. Bank of Japan will announce, and afternoon I think 12 o'clock or 2 o'clock, Bank of England will announce their interest rates. It will be a massive day for tomorrow and day after tomorrow, 2 days for the trend traders and also for the option buyers, especially. And it will be very volatile, but be careful. Don't be in a hurry. It will be for few days. Wait patiently and don't jump into for the long term, mid term, medium term, short term investments right now. Just wait with patiently with the cash. You'll get the opportunities. Tomorrow, watch out for IT stocks, because Nasdaq has fallen massively. IT stocks will hit very hard because some of them are trading at very high level. That is Coforge. Coforge consistently making an higher high in the daily time frame. It is almost reached the psychological level of 10,000. It made a high of 9,500, and it's really very huge high. If you can look at RSI, RSI in the weekly time frame, it is 82, very over bot level, and daily time frame it is peaked at 89 level. Tomorrow we should watch if the trend breaks. Now current market price is 9,475. If Coforge breaks and sustain below 9,400, we can see it around 9,200 and 9,150 level in the intraday for tomorrow. Just like that, next talk is persistent systems. Persistent system in the daily time frame today, it is closer as a spinning top. If we get a negative candle tomorrow with a gap down, it would be like a morning star on the daily time frame, which is a good reversal pattern on the higher level. With the RSI at the overbought zone, we can make a good bet for the downside. On the hourly time frame, the support is at 6,500. If it you can look at this, it took a support on the 9 and 21 EMA hourly time frame from starting of the December till mid of the December right now. And if it breaks and sustain below that, it will come down to 6,400, which is 63 EMA on hourly time frame. Two stocks we discussed are Coforge and Persistent for the downside level for tomorrow. And upside is we have a small range of 100 points for the resistance level. If it breaks and sustain above that, it might go up higher, but the risk reward is too good for the downside. The next stock is I'm looking at Piramal. Piramal actually at a very good zone. It gave a neat breakdown on the daily time frame with 6.5% down. Now the next level of support is 1140 and 1115. If it sustains below that, it might come down to 1085 level for tomorrow. The next one is Bajaj Finance. Bajaj Finance, it is one of the highly volatile stocks in the F&O I traded. It's been trading in a range for a while, almost more than 2 years. It's been trading in a 700 points range. But on the if we come for the short term, in the daily time frame, it took a reversal with a short swing high it made recently below 7,000. The next area of support is at 6,940, 6,800, and 6,726. The upper level resistance for the stop loss for the downside is 7,160 level. We can keep a stop loss for that. Okay, guys. So done for the day. We already have a plan for tomorrow. What we should do, what we should not do, and please be aware for the any bounce. Don't jump into the long trades. Just wait for the confirmation with candlestick patterns and chart patterns like higher and higher low formation. And until the price action gives a clear trend for the trend reversal or trend continuation, wait for it and take your own decision on the trades. Tomorrow, see you all. Sorry, today.